So welcome back, everyone. I am in the process of gathering some items together because we're going to start decorating for Christmas this coming weekend. And as I was cleaning today, one of the things that I'm using in our holiday decor this year is this 3-piece double wall candle holder trio from the AtHomeWithZane store. You all have seen this. I've showcased it a couple of times, and as soon as I showcase this, you guys immediately run over and purchase it. It's beautiful, it's versatile. I've used it all year long, and certainly I've used it in all of my seasonal decorating. So I cleaned these today very nicely, and we're getting ready to add in some Epsom salt, and we're going to add in some candles, which I'm going to share with you here, that I purchased from Home Goods recently. And it's the Vintage Christmas Balsam Fir Scented Candles, and it's a set of 24 tea lights here. And they were only $7.99. And the thing I love about these is that they have the clear holders on them, and they smell beautiful. The set that we sell, one of the things I love about our set is that it includes the clear cups. So whenever you purchase our set, you get the clear cups with it already. So if you buy tea lights that come in the metal cups, you can simply pull them out of the metal cups, put them in your clear cups here, place them inside of the well. Wait for it. You just drop it inside the well here, and you don't have to worry about it getting all messy and having to scrape the candle wax out and risk damaging, cracking, or breaking the inner well. So the thing I love about it is if you don't find the cups that have the clear casing on them, our set comes with its own little set of individual clear cups, so you can use it with whatever you want, whatever type of tea light you can find, whatever you want to put in there, you can put it inside the clear cup and drop it down inside of the well. It's going to keep it nice and clean and beautiful. So I will include a link, by the way, in the video description of where you can go directly to this product on our store if you're interested in purchasing it. I have used this as a million times, and there's a million different things you can do with it. But like I said, I really love the fact that you get the clean, clear look here with the clear cups that you get inside of our set. But I don't have those, so I am going to use these. And that's because these already came inside of the clear cup, so I'm not going to use the clear cups that we have with ours. This is already achieving that look. But what I am going to do is we're going to pour in some Epsom salt, and we're going to create sort of a wintry scene with these. And then as we decorate for Christmas, these will already be ready to go here on our side table. So I'm going to change the view here so that you can get a look. So as you can see, here are the 3 different sizes: the large, the medium, and the small. And I'm getting ready to add in our Epsom salt. And don't worry if you make a mess, you can clean this up. One of the things that I found to be really easy is to add your Epsom salt into one side, and then you can shift it around however you'd like. That way you don't get a lot of it inside of the well here. So I think this is a sufficient amount for this one. So we'll drop in our candle. Isn't that going to be so pretty? We'll set that one to the side and move on to the next one. And here we have number 2. So we have our first 2 done here. I think that's going to be so beautiful. So last but not least, we're going to move on to filling up our large one. And so I have them laid out like this, just so that you can see they're all full. I've left them to where they each have their own little sort of snowdrifted look. And this is going to be really beautiful when the candlelight is lit at night, and it really, really reflects off of the beautiful crystals of the Epsom salt. So this is one of my favorite things to use when it comes to holiday decorating, is to use Epsom salt to give that beautiful crystallized reflection. So I hope you all have enjoyed this little short video. As I said, we're getting ready to start decorating, and while I had these nice and clean and ready to go, I thought I would share them with you. So if you're interested in these, click on the link in my video description. You can go directly to the At Home with Zane store and purchase them. I think you're absolutely going to love them. You will find a million different uses for them. You can use them for everyday use, seasonal use. You can use them as a set. You can separate the set. I absolutely love these, as have all of you that have purchased them. So click on the link. It'll take you directly to our product, and you can create a beautiful scene for your winter holiday season.